shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 8th, 2020. TGIF, we're going to start with the SPY, you guys. Today we're going to be bullish above 292. We just literally came right to it and pulled back. Let's see if we can break above that. Bearish below 290. Yep, for a retracement trade. Back down to the 8 EMA. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 29.25, and we're going to be bearish below 2,900. Again, watch these moving averages. These are my faves on the 5-minute chart. The 200 simple and the 200 exponential moving average. Look at that. Whenever they're next to each other like that, there's two computers programmed to buy there, and bam, look at that. Look how it popped right off that. So, yeah, those are really key. They do move. So I'm bearish below 2,900, but if those guys move there, don't go short until we're below it, okay? IWM. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 130, and we just popped above that. And bear below 127.40 for the IWM. Let's go to the QQQs. We're going to be bullish above 225 for the Qs, and bear below 223.75 for a retracement trade. We'll go to the NASDAQ futures, bullish above 92.1250, and we're hitting up there. Bear below 91.50, and you can see the same thing for the NASDAQ futures. We popped right off those. See right here, popped right off those. So powerful. Put them on your chart. They're free. Doesn't cost you a penny. Let's look at the oil futures. Look at that. We up thrusted on the pivot. Look at that. Look at the volume that came in. Let me just make that bigger. See that? Mega volume. Yeah, selling right there. So today we're going to be bullish above 25. That's a really key level. Yep, major level on the oil futures. Let me just show you the weekly chart so you can see where we're at as well. Let's see if we up thrust this trend line too today. Yeah, today's going to be pretty pivotal. But if we start to move up again, yep, that would be bullish. Let me just get this over here. So we're going to be bearish below 23.50. Yeah, if we go below, there was a lot of volume this morning right here. 7 o'clock. Was there more before that? Yeah, right here too. So this is the volume bar that I first looked at, and this one this morning. Yeah, so these are really key levels. So bullish above 25, bearish below 23.50 for oil. Let's go to gold. Oh, let me just put gold up here for you. All right, gold just came almost down to the pivot. So for the gold stocks, we're going to be bullish above 1737. All right, I like to break above this high volume bar right here that we had earlier. And bear below 1712, below the pivot. Yeah, I didn't want to trade here. There wasn't enough room here. So pretty much we're going to be bearish here. And we're going to be bullish above here. But also we're watching the weekly chart for gold. Yeah, gold is really key. Yeah, right here is the key. I don't know if it's going to happen this week, but if next week, if we were to go above this trend line, 1750, and close above that, yeah, that would be uber bullish. Now, I didn't do the silver futures, but I do have silver on my whisper. Yeah, 16 is the key level for silver for those futures. Yeah, really, really key. If we can close above that this week, next week, there's a lot of room to the upside. So watch that. I'll definitely be watching that. Let's go to the individual stocks. I've got quite a bit for you. All the good ones. We got Apple, bullish above 307.50. Bear below 305 for the retracement. Roku had earnings. Let's see where this guy is right now. Yep, hitting its head on the 4 EMA. Bullish above 127.20, and we could have a possible gap fill to 130.27 from yesterday. Yep, so watch that. for Roku. Bear below 122. If it turns around and it goes below 122, this is our trade set up on the short side. Yeah, offside a little bit hard right here where it's at. It's really got to break above that 4. And, you know, keep in mind that moves. Uber, bullish above 34 today and bear below 32.50. We came right down to it and bounced. So watch if we test it again. Yep, second time around. There's our short on Uber. Let's go to Tesla. All right, Tesla has yet to break above that 800 today. Thank you, Paul, for your mapped out trade on it. Bullish above 795. But that 800 is really the key level. It really needs to break above that to get to new heights. Bear below 782. PayPal had an incredible day. What a great whisper yesterday. However, we had a very large print at the end of the day. So watch 145.81. Yeah, could be splashing. And then we had another print at 146.43. Smaller, but still significant. 320,000. But this is highly unusual. So keep your eye on PayPal. Bullish above 148. Bear below 143.80. Still splashing around. Let's go to silver. Yeah, silver. Silver is definitely worth watching. Watch that 1450 level. We tested it once already this morning. Pull back. Watch that second test with volume coming in for a really good entry on SLV. It's slow. It's definitely more for swinging. In fact, I should put swing right there. All right, bear below 1416. Let's go to Wells Fargo. So one of those 4 million prints yesterday was canceled. Yes, it was. Let me show you that actually. Hold on. They canceled it. The 2596 one. So this one was canceled. However, this one is the one we need to watch. 2563 and 2560. That's still 5 million shares. That's massive. Massive, massive, massive. We're going to get a big move in Wells Fargo. Could have a big splash. Please be patient. Big move is coming. All right, so you can put a strangle on, which is always nice. We looked through a couple of those for June in the Java Pit Trading Room, or you can wait patiently and go directional. So today, bullish above 26. And keep in mind, we could be in splash mode. They could splash it up and then take it down. If they take it down after a move up, if they take it down below the print, that's when you go short. If they splash it down and then we go above the print, that's where you go long. But there's day trades. Just keep in mind, you want to go to sleep on the right side of the prints. That's the key. So we'll be bullish above 26 and bear below 25.25. Watch that carefully. We also had big prints on XLF. We had big prints on Morgan Stanley. I'll be running you through all the trades this weekend in my Dark Pool Insights. So stay tuned for that. For the swing. Work. Let's go to work. Bullish above 31.20. Thank you so much, Mary Beth, for calling this out. I tweaked it slightly though, but awesome job. And bearish below 30.50 for the retracement. So I like this for the retracement, for the gap fill, possibly. But you know, watch that 15 exponential moving average on these gappers. It's the trend trade. All right, after the first 15 minutes on a 5-minute chart. Okay, 9:45. You watch this green moving average right here. See this dotted green one? That's the 15 EMA. At 9:45, if it can climb above it and stay above that, then it's usually a gap and go higher. But if it can't, it's usually a pop and drop. So watch. That is my favorite. But I use levels and pivots with that. Let's go to RCL. So I have no idea when the earnings are coming out on this. Every software says a different date. I have today, I have May 11th, we have May 20th. So be careful. Don't swing this. Day trade it. Bullish above 41. Bear below 37.50. Let's go to Spirit Airlines. Save. We're going to be bearish below 10.12 and bullish above 11.20 for spirit. And we can't forget about gold. Yeah, gold. We're going to be bullish above 162.50. Actually, I like that 162 level as well. When we were up here when I was doing it. So when I'm mapping out the trade and it's here, I'm not going to do 162. I'll do the next level. But since we moved down, yeah, 162 is a really good level on the upside to enter. And 162.50 would be your target. But bear below 158.80. We have these prints, and I want to be bearish below them. We also have some other prints around the 160 level as well. But I just wanted to put these in there because that's the key level to go bear below. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for May 8th, 2020. Awesome week, you guys. If you had a great week, take today off. Don't mess it up, all right? Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.